Fitzpatrick Manufacturing is a job shop located in Sterling Heights, which is a suburb of Detroit. We have about 13 or 14 different sectors that we supply parts to. The auto industry is quite strong right now. Many other people in the auto industry are retiring, which means the labor market is very tight. And with the ease of Sawyer, it finally made sense to bring advanced automation in where we know we could be using it tomorrow, and it's easy to move to the next project. In a job shop environment, you just don't know what's coming in. From a financial point of view, we looked at human capital, and if Sawyer's running this particular job, that frees up that person to run another machine tool. So it's all about utilization.
The part that Sawyer's honing the tolerance on the ID has to be very precise. Sawyer goes over and checks to see which parts it's going to be running first. So it'll first check to see whether it's picking up the short parts or the long parts. Once it determines that, it'll go over and start at the very bottom of the pin board. Once it picks up that part, it goes to the hone and loads the part into the machine and starts the machine up. Once the machine is done, it'll take that first part out and put the second part in. And then that first part, it'll take over to the wash station where it'll drop it in to get washed, and then the one that was being washed, it'll pick up and blow it off in the air blow-off box. And then from there, it'll go to the boxes and package them.
That job's high production. It runs all year round. There's a lot of parts to run, and it's perfect for Sawyer to work on, where an operator is driven by a cycle time and can only achieve so much in the hours that he works. Sawyer is running lights out through lunches, through bathroom breaks. The hours that we're not here, Sawyer is running, and at the end of the day, produces more parts. So overall throughput is better.